Hi, in this session we'll be covering uploading new images to the web wizard and managing your existing image library. First, click Media, and then Image Administration. On the left we can see our current folder structure, where we can navigate through the existing folders, as well as creating new ones. In the top right we have an option to download a list of all image names and sizes. We can clear the folder cache if you're experiencing any issues with newly uploaded files not displaying correctly. The folder setting allows you to set a config that will automatically resize any images uploaded into this folder, ensuring you keep your file sizes small without manual intervention. And finally, we have the option to download our current folder as a zip file. To upload new images, click the Upload Images button. Select all the images you wish to upload and press Open. If an image of the same name already exists in the folder, you're given the option to either overwrite it or skip. And all uploaded files can be viewed in this list below. If you wish to search for a specific file, you can use the Filter Items button here. The usage column will tell you if this image is currently being used anywhere on the website. Over on the right here, we have the option to delete our image, rename our image, or manually resize it. We have the option to crop completely manually. We can zoom in and out using the scroll wheel. We can flip or rotate the image, and even set a specific height and width if we wish. And finally, we can press the Save button here. This will create a copy of our image resized to our specific dimensions.